Good morning, everyone. This is Richard here at the car barn again. And this morning I'm driving in a 2019. It's a Dodge Grand Caravan. Super clean inside out. We're going to stop up here and take a look at the inside of it, the outside of it, and try to do a quick video, but pointing out anything that we notice on it that we feel like you'd want to know about before you come out to take a look at it. We get a lot of people coming from out of state. And so the goal with all of our videos, if you haven't watched one, is just to be totally transparent and let you know what we know about a vehicle. They do go through our service department. We've got a really good technician. He does a very thorough check on different things that mechanically want to make sure it's good to go and drives well, all those type of things. But then what we do is come along, or for me, is just to look it over and tell you about how it drives, the things that I notice, anything that I think I would want to know about before I do come to take a look at it. So, long story short, we're going to pull over up here in the shade and take a closer look at it. I will mention, if you need any help with financing at all, banks, credit unions, any of that, we've got most of the credit unions that we're connected with that you probably use yourself. So give us a chance to try to give you that best rate and term possible through our connections here in the dealership. We get a little bit of leverage to help out for you. That doesn't help us, it helps you. So anyway, again, 2019, 77,900 miles. So pretty low miles for the year. And we're going to shut it off here. Got the keyless entry key fob. Let me zoom back out using one hand here for a second. So everything works on it, and I just dropped the keys in between there, but we're gonna take a look. As you can tell, I'm not a professional at the videos. I'm not trying to be. I want to make sure that the vehicle itself is what is helping you, benefiting you, not me. I am not the I'm just the messenger, so to speak. Okay, so on the driver's door panel, excellent condition. Use a little bit of a cleanup there, but no holes, no tears, no anything. Just, it's like brand new, literally. Driver's seat, it is power, very comfortable. It does have a lower back support on it, and it's a leather with a suede center. It's got a little bit of some lighting here with reflection and whatnot going on in the shade, but very good, clean condition. Leather's in good shape. On the dash, it's like brand new, no holes, tears, warping, any of that. We're going to take a look in the back real quick, and I'm going to use the key fob, make sure the doors all work. Awesome. Really handy to have, obviously. You can see both doors opening. If you got kids, that kind of thing is really nice. On the Dodges and the Chryslers, really cool that these center row seats actually fold down into the floor as well. It's got mats over it, so it's hard to tell, but they work really well. And this one, as you can see, does have the captain or quad seating, so you got room to run through the middle there. But these do fold down, really comfortable. And then in the third row, seats there are in great shape as well. This thing is literally like brand new. The backs of the seats are in good shape. Up above, you got controls for your heat, air conditioning, and vents throughout. This one's kind of a two-tone light gray with a darker, almost dark charcoal in the roof and the seats. So cool combination, I think. So we're going to close these doors now, and that way you can see around the outside when we get back to it. Oh, and I forgot, it also has a power tailgate. I started to lift it up to start with, but awesome there too if you got kids in your hands or whatnot. And then in the rear, they do have the Stow and Go seating, so really makes the Dodge Chrysler vans, they've done an excellent job with making their vehicles very usable. So nice and clean there. You can also push the button here to close it, or use the key fob, either one. Kind of cool. And let's take a quick look around this side so you can see in it real quick. If you have questions on anything you're seeing in the videos, don't hesitate to give me a call or text at the number you see below and ask me about it. I'd be glad to respond to you, take a closer look at something, a closer picture of it, whatever the case may be. Get that door closed. Oops, wrong one. And front seat here, got my little briefcase hiding there with me, but driver's door in good shape. Need a little bit of cleaning there. And excellent condition. I see zero, issues with the interior at all. It's like brand new. Carpets obviously are in great shape underneath here. I'll take a look at the outside real quick. And gonna kind of go down this side. Obviously, I'm sure we could find a minor scratch or ding if we really wanted to zoom in it. But on white, it's kind of hard to tell anyway. But as you're going down the side of it, looks like it's in excellent condition. I don't see anything that stands out to me at all. If so, I'm going to point it out. Tires look like they're in really good shape. They're matching tires on this side, and we're going to take a look at the other side as well. And going around the back looks good. It does, as you notice, have a roof rack on the top. So great for trips. And you got one little scuff in the paint right there, as you can see. And then going down this side, looks like we have the same brand of tires. So nice 4 tires matching all the way around. And I don't see any dents and dings on this side either. So excellent condition. You got one minor paint chip on that rear corner of the bumper. No structural damage, just chipped off a tiny bit. And it looks like you a little bit of a scuff, scratch, crack in the paint right there. So, and right there. So, you can see those down there, a little chipping going on. But that is it. You want a great vehicle that's in good shape, low miles, mechanically very sound, might be the one. But come take a look at it, or feel free to give me a call. Be glad to help you out. A lot of people like to get pre-approved. If you want to do that, just give me a call. We take a little bit of your information or show you how to do it online. And then you know what kind of rate, terms, payments, all that before you even come in and take a look at it. So appreciate you watching the videos. Have an awesome day. Thanks.